Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage a sales team performance using Airtable, your ultimate 2025 guide. Let's kick off with setting up your sales team in Airtable. Head over to the Teams tab and click New Team. Fill in your team's details and then add your team members. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your team's data is in one place. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a new base for managing performance. Click on New Base and select Start from a template. Choose the Sales CRM template as it's perfect for managing sales performance. This helps us because the template already has essential fields like deal size, close date, and sales stages, saving us time. Next up, we're going to customize our base. I recommend adding a field for sales targets to track individual target versus actual sales. You can also add a performance rating field to provide feedback. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By customizing your base, you're making it more relevant to your team's specific needs and goals. Now let's talk about the Views feature in Airtable. Views allow you to filter and sort your data in various ways. For instance, you can create a view that only shows deals closed this month or deals that are at risk. This feature is crucial as it gives you a real-time snapshot of your team's performance. Once you've set up your views, it's time to invite your team to the base. Click on Share and add your team members. Let me explain why this matters. By sharing the base, your team can update their sales data in real time, which gives you a more accurate picture of their performance. And there it is. You've just set up an efficient sales performance management system in Airtable. Remember, the power of Airtable lies in its flexibility, so feel free to tweak and adjust the system as you see fit. And that's a wrap on managing a sales team's performance in Airtable. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.